Here I have Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change video resolution, you can change video quality, you can change its orientation, you can pick sound source, you can also set up fixed frame rate, or you can just set up automatic frame rate. You can select number of frames. If you have fixed frame rate enabled, you can lock screen to end, you can show touch gestures, and you can also show button taps. So in order to start recording, you just tap on this button once, and this kind of a recording menu appears. From here you can also access settings, and you can access a folder with recordings in gallery. So to start recording, just tap on the red button once, and the recording starts immediately. So you record whatever you want to be recorded. Then you tap on this red button once again, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album, screenshots and screen recordings. And here it is. So you record whatever you want to be recorded, then you tap on this and from here you can send, edit, favorite, delete your recording, or perform some other actions from this list. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.